starting our snow hike. निसी फुजिवारा स्टेसनमा आइसक्यो यहाँबाट हाम्रो फर्स्ट स्नो हाइकिङ अफ द इयर हैन सुरु हुँदैछ यो समी स्नो है हेर्नुस् एकदम बाक्लो बाक्लो हिँड्नु परिरहेछ सो हामी चाहिँ माथिको डाँडामा जाने हो सो वी हेभ आवर कम्पेनियन्स एज वेल अरू साथीहरू पनि छन् यस्तो डाँडा चढ्नु चाहिँ सो लेट्स सी इट्स गोना बी एपिक इट्स गोना बी फन Thank you though. Just the red sky, orange sky, done. Mina isここがあまり急じゃなさそうな感じだったんだね。急な方から。9 station आइपुग्यो. This is how it looks like. यहाँबाट चाहिँ अब एउटा स्टेसन बाइक छ माथि त्यो समिट. It's quite good. It's quite wide. अनि चिसै छ तर चरा हिँड्ने यार के त हाँस गरे. यस्तो हाँस मात्रै राखेको छ मजा आयो. This is 9 station right there and look at the guy. He's starting to come way up. 10 number station आइपुग्यो हैन स्टेसन के भन्छ समिट हुँदा एक स्टेप तलको ठाउँ हो त्यो चाहिँ सेल्टर भयो त्यहाँनिर हैन अनि मान्छे यहाँ चाहिँ ब्रेक बस्छन् खानेकुरा खाने so it was rough climbing खाने हो सातो सुप खाने हो so a lot of you guys 捨てたねこれないと持って帰れないね This is how it looks like It's crisp एकदम बढिरहेछ अझै पनि मान्छे म कतिसम्म जानला सायद आउँछ आधी घण्टा सक्छ होला समिट आइपुगेको अवस्था छ 11:40 मेरो सिगा this is not the best view or best thing to see, then what it is. Yo guys, welcome back. You see this is already. So we just did our first snow hiking, you know, and it's my first time to go in snow in mountain. It was absolutely fun, and it was one hell of experience for me. Let me tell you one thing, guys. Unless you don't do it, it's always first time, you know. Nagoya, it's always first time. And it was my first time. I didn't know what I would do. I'll be like, "Khotra, manchiro go down, so you know." But that's not the case. Unless you don't do it, it's always first time, eh? Go out and try to see, explore, experience whatever you have to do, because life is short and it is beautiful, guys. It's like mottainai. It's a term called in Japanese. It's like, how to say it? Mottainai.
So I don't know where the name is hard to say.
That's what happened when you are trilingual, fourlingual actually. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I inspired you guys to go out there and to go into the wild and explore the life, explore the mountains, and just do whatever you gotta do. Like mottainai.